action figure, so we know what it is. And guys, seriously, मतलब I'm just running out of terabytes, hardwares, बहुत cost आता है सब चीज़ों का. So please like, share, subscribe and let me know कि क्या चल रहा है. तो in a way तो I can improve my content, at least get some money back, क्योंकि बहुत खर्चा होता है भाई साहब. Like literally it costs a lot. So let's figurine. It's like a very basic figurine. I don't know who it is, but I just thought it felt familiar in a way. So I thought, okay, let's have it, and the price was okay and had good reviews. I think so. I had reviews for that. So this is the lady, and this like a very anime girl. This things. I'll just try to zoom it a bit, and this is how it looks. And like if you want to see it in this way, like a full वैसा वाला, and then इसमें there is just 2 spots. I think you can fit it like this, or you can do this also, but I think this would be a better fit. So it just stands up like this nicely. So if you see, that's this how it looks. I think I can zoom it more. Yes, let's talk about like eyes. Eyes are perfect. Like this is how it should be. It is like a very good factory made. It's not like a spray painted. तो spray paint में क्या होता है ना, इसका ऐसा like spray painted, but this like a actually made like a very separate parts, सबको दिखेगा. So this is actually like a dipped in उनका जो भी रहता है types. तो ये अलग बना है, ये अलग कलर पे ऐसा हुआ है types जो भी बने हुए हैं. तो it looks nice, नॉट लाइक अ स्प्रे पेंट मार दिया टाइप्स. ये दोनों चिपके हुए, बट स्प्रे पेंट और उसका आप फ़र्क समझ सकते हो कि लाइक डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में हुआ है. एंड दैट थिंग शॉर्ट्स एंड इट लुक्स नाइस. लाइक इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल anime girl. I don't know if it's a character, but it looked very familiar because आप eyes में देख सकते हो, and the mouth का shape, everything, it looks good. Like for 800 this is amazing and definite buy. And अगर मैं आपको ऐसे rotational करके देख सकता, so this looks nice, like good. हाँ, main one of the important thing, sorry, height. Like it has a good height also, like a 20 centimeter with the base, no, about 17 centimeter रहेगा. And width wise 7. Sorry guys. So this is it. Link in the description. Definitely recommend it. Bye bye. Thank you.